The tech is out there.
Three years ago, we launched the Claw, the world's smallest multi-tool. We sold over 100,000 of them. And with your feedback, we made it better. With the Claw 2, we spent time paying attention to what it is in a tool that you need. But this isn't just a tool. It's designed to be an extension of you. We know that the Claw fits into so many different lifestyles, so this time, we wanted to pack even more into the body while keeping our principles of minimal carry at the forefront of the design process. We went back and refined the design over and over until we had something that was engineered with total precision. Carved out of strong metals, the angles are calculated to give you the right downforce and leverage when applying pressure, but still maintaining the form factor. Across the Claw, we've added even more. A mini hex that lets you fix, assemble, and tear down the tiniest objects, and also a regular hex for your typical screwdriver attachments. With this, a chiseled blade that lets you pry out tough fixtures. The new Claw is a versatile piece of everyday carry. We wanted to create a tool that goes where you go, functions as an extension of you, enables you to keep exploring, moving, living, seamlessly.
All tech all the time.